Hi everybody, my name is Anna and I'm a professional tutor of Russian language. I worked with more than 50 students from all over the world, and I know for a fact that in the beginning of your studying you really struggle because the letters look different and you don't even know what it means. So you get stuck doing any exercises and basically you cannot even study yourself because of this issue. Today we are going to have a reading practice. We are going to read a Russian poem, first slow and then a bit fast. It's going to be a poem by Joseph Brodsky. It's a Russian poet who has moved to the US and he has won a Nobel Prize, and he passed away about 25 years ago, so it's quite modern literature. All Russian literature has a dramatic aspect in it, so as the poem we are going to read. Please don't try to memorize the words we are going to see in the poem because it's not day-to-day lexics. Though we are going to look at some of the vocabulary we might need on a daily conversation. It's always good to remember words by a pair. We create connections in our brain and we remember two words instead of one. And we always know the other side of the meaning. So let's have a look. Почему? Потому что. You can see потому что it's quite a lot of syllables, but it's better if you say these two words together as if it were the one word. Let's repeat again. Почему? Потому что. Потому что. Good job. Next one. Красивый. Некрасивый. Красивый. Некрасивый. It's a masculine form of the word beautiful. And the other just a bit similar words. Когда, никогда. Когда, никогда. We are going to meet these words in the text, and first we're going to read slow. After that we'll read faster with the translation. So remember the main goal for you to recognize letters and try to say them. If you're not really good at it, check out the video about the basic reading or just repeat after me. I haven't read poems in a while. This is going to be exciting. It's going to be 16 lines, not a really long poem, so just get patient, stick with me. Он был тощим, облезлым, рыжим. Грязь помоек его покрывала. Он скитался по ржавым крышам, а ночами сидел в подвалах. Okay, just keep going. Он был старым и очень слабым, а морозы порой жестоки. У него замерзали лапы. Точно так же, как стынут ноги. Но его никогда не грели, не ласкали и не кормили, потому что его не жалели, потому что его не любили, потому что вы запали зубы, потому что в ушах нарывы. Почему некрасивых не любят? Кто-то должен любить некрасивых. Good job. I know there were some difficult letters here, like sh, zh, z, sh. They are not your common letters, so the most important that you stop being confused with this letter, which you want to say p, but it's actually r. And dozens of other really common letters. It's important that you get better and better at them. Okay, I'm going to read the poem one more time, as if I did it on the literature lesson, and you're going to see the translation as well. And you can see the rhyme of their language, the rhyme of their endings, and you can also try to repeat it with me. Он был тощим, облезлым, рыжим, грязь помоек его покрывала. Он скитался по ржавым крышам, а ночами сидел в подвалах. Он был старым и очень слабым, а морозы порой жестоки. У него замерзали лапы, точно так же, как стынут ноги. Но его никогда не грели, не ласкали и не кормили, потому что его не жалели, потому что его не любили, потому что выпали зубы, потому что в ушах нарывы. Почему некрасивых не любят? Кто-то должен любить некрасивых. That's all. This was a poem about a cat. Forgot to mention that. It's literally called About a Cat. Про кота. I hope you enjoyed the reading practice. This is the first video for me in this format. So if you liked it, please text me in the comments, give me a like, subscribe, and let me know what other poets are you excited about. And then I will happily read more with you, more poems of famous poets. Пока-пока!